Now that we've downloaded and installed Excel 2021 onto our PC, it's time for us to launch the application for the first time. The way you do this really depends on the operating system that you're using. For me, I'm using Microsoft's latest version, which is Windows 11. But I'm going to hazard a guess that most people watching this course are probably using an older version, possibly Windows 10, maybe even something older. Now, from what I recall about Windows 10, pretty much everything I'm going to show you when it comes to launching applications is the same. So the first place we need to go is the Start menu. You'll find the Start menu down on the taskbar. It's this Windows icon right here. If you're using Windows 10, you should have something similar on your taskbar. When you hover over it, you'll get a little screen tip that pops up and says Start. You can click it to open the menu, or alternatively, if you're into your keyboard shortcuts, you can press the Windows logo key on your keyboard. Now for me, this pops open the Start menu. What do I have on this Start menu? Well, at the top I have a search bar which allows me to search through all the applications and files on my PC. Underneath that, I have some pinned applications. These might be apps that I use all the time. If you can't find Excel in this pinned area, we have an All Apps button, which takes us into the full list of applications available. Everything here is organized in alphabetical order. So I could scroll through to find Excel, or alternatively, I can use the search bar at the top, simply type in Excel, and the best match will be the Excel application. One click and it launches the app. Now, if Excel is one of the applications you're going to use regularly, maybe you open it every day, then I would definitely advise you to pin Excel either to your taskbar or to your Start menu. Notice that once I have Excel opened, if I look down in my taskbar, I can see the application down here on the end. If I want to pin it to the taskbar permanently, so it's always available like these other icons, I can simply right click the icon and choose pin to taskbar. Even when I close Excel down, that icon is going to remain on the taskbar, and I can simply click it to relaunch Excel. Another thing I can do again from the Start menu is pin it to this pinned area at the top. So once again, I'm going to jump into All Apps, then search for Excel. This time I'm going to right click and choose Pin to Start. Now that's going to pin it to the Start menu. If you can't see it in the lists, scroll down, it might be right at the bottom. And of course, we can reorganize our pinned icons and applications. If I want Excel to be further up this list, I can click and just drag it into the position I want. So let's put it right at the top. That way it's really simple for me to click Excel and launch the application from here.